Here's a fun tutorial of a palm tree. We're going to be using a small fan brush and a number 4 with a nice tip watercolor brush here. I have my mailing set here, but you can use any that you want. I'm going to put together green. So the greens that you have, get some of them ready here. Put them on a palette so that we can access them with our fan brush. So we have that. I'm going to use a little olive green. I'm going to use some yellow ochre. If you don't have yellow ochre, then use some yellow. I'm also going to put in some Prussian blue, and Payne's gray. These are my colors I'm going to use for my palm tree. So I'm going to dip my brush into some of these different, I had pre-wet my brush here, we should do that. Pre-wet your brush and dip it off just a little bit. It's good when your bristles divide up like this. See how they're kind of divided like that? That's a good thing. So now I'm going to put some yellow on, some green, some dark blue on the inside. And this is your technique that I want you to work on. You pull it out and then do this little pull off. So first we have the spine of our palm tree frond, and then we pull it so that it has this, oops, that was a little too far out, but that's all right. Let's get some more, do another one, spine, and just a little curve there. We need a little extra spine. Put a little extra spine on that palm tree on the top, on that frond. I got a lot of blue on there, so I'm going to take some of that off. Let's see, I think I'm going to go this way. Get some of this coming down here. It's this pull. It's just this quick flick that you want to get going on there. These little flicks, very helpful. Perfect the flick and you will have lots of great techniques that you can use with watercolor. That flick I use with hair also. Well, that's getting a little bit long. A little tall there. That's all right. And a few more fronds over here. The different colors make it really fun and more authentic. Maybe another dark one right here. Make these a little bit longer. All right, so there's that part of the palm tree. Now we're gonna make our little palm tree trunk. So I'm going to get some brown and I'm going to get some black. And I'm going to get some of the really like glowy brown. Isn't that gorgeous? And I'm just going to do a small trunk. And you don't want it to be totally straight. Most palm trees aren't very tall, right? Or not very straight. And then I'm going to put in, just going to drop in some dark here. Drop in some of this color and let it bleed through. I probably made this trunk a bit wide. That's all right. A little bit extra wide. And then just let it bleed through and there you go. Then you can put a little bit of, collect some of this color, all this color that you have down here, and do a little shadow down on the ground, little shadow. Let it bleed out a little bit by adding some water. Now you have this lovely, lovely palm tree in shadow. Ta-da! Have fun working on that fan brush technique. Bye-bye.